Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Nimbus Gaming here. Now for today's video, we're gonna go ahead and do a little bit of an unboxing. It's been a while since we do one of these, so let's get right into it. I have here the webcam, the Logitech webcam, as a matter of fact. It's Logitech BRIO. Now I went ahead and I got this yesterday, and the reason why I got this webcam out of all the webcams out there is because this webcam right here records in 4K. Now, I'm excited about that because there's not a lot of webcams out there that can go ahead and record in 4K, so I really want to see if this thing actually works and holds up to the name. So let's get right into it. All right, so let's see what we have here. All right, let's go ahead and open this. Here we have our unboxing knife. Boom. Guys, don't do this at home. Is that it? There we go. All right, so let's see what we have here now. Boom, the first thing right out of the box, you see the webcam itself. Again, this is the Logitech BRIO. It can record up to 4K quality videos. All right. Go ahead and take this out. Let's put this to the side really quick. Let's see what we have inside the box. Right, so we have nothing else in here. So we have a couple things in here. Let's see what we have. Seems to be a piece of the stand itself, maybe a replacement. We'll find out. We have this. This looks like a cloth. Let's see. No, actually, I see strings on this. So let's see what's in here. Oh no, I was actually wrong. It's actually a little bag. I guess so you could take the webcam on the go. I didn't know people do that, but you know. Logitech right there. Okay, so right here we have an installation guide. Pretty simple. And then here we have the safety paper. Put that to the side as well. Now here we have the actual cable. You're gonna go ahead and connect to the webcam and the other end to the computer. Now here we have a USB and then a Type-C. The Type-C should go to the back of the webcam, which we're gonna go ahead and take out now. Side. And there we have it. The Logitech BRIO. Again, up to 4K recordings. From what I know, this works with Mac and Windows, so should be good with whichever you have. We have the stand. You should be able to adjust this, yeah. Assuming you put it like this on your monitor, laptop, depending on what you have again. Let's see if this. Yeah. No, that's actually it. So yeah, I was right. This is actually a replacement. As in case this stand breaks. Now you would just go ahead and put this to the edge of the monitor or laptop again, and then this part you will push towards the back so it could hold up. And now this you could go ahead and adjust. Now here, as I said earlier, you're gonna get the USB Type-C connected to the back of the Logitech camera, and then this part you're gonna go ahead and connect to a laptop or a PC. Okay. Now, again, haven't used this bad boy yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and test it out, see how the recordings come out, see if they're actually 4K or not. If anything, I'll let you guys know the outcome of that on the next video. If you like this video, make sure to drop a like, subscribe if you haven't, and if you guys have any comments or opinions in regards to this webcam, please leave them down in the comment section below. I would love to know what you guys think about this. And that should be it for today's video. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.